welcome to Mentors4IAS. I'm Dr. Arjun Bopanna. First of all, I hope all of you have done your prelims really well. And I hope you're all ready for the transition that you have to make from prelims to your mains preparation. Having given several times prelims and mains, having given interview in UPSC for 3 times, I know that this is the most crucial time or crucial phase of your examination. And at the same time, it's very challenging phase of your examination also, because you have just a couple of months to prepare for such a huge syllabus. Along with that, you'll have to prepare for your optional papers. Along with that, you'll have to prepare for your essay. So it's quite challenging, and a lot of students face it difficult, find it difficult to manage the time, manage the syllabus, juggling between optionals and general studies, and then to write your answers, write test series, etc. So having realized these problems, myself and my team at Mentors4IAS and my colleague Mrutyunjay sir have decided to come up with some kind of an initiative where we try to ensure that we inculcate a sense of discipline and at the same time motivation to help you to clear this mains examination in your first attempt itself. So we plan to start these initiatives today itself. In these initiatives, we want to ensure a proper guidance, a proper mentorship, and coach you throughout your journey in your mains and ensure you clear this mains in your first attempt itself. So at Mentors4IAS, we are going to do a series of videos. We are going to do series of classes. We are going to do certain specific programs for mentorship of your general studies and optional papers to ensure that you find success. So let me give you a brief introduction to these programs. And then from the next video onwards, we will go directly into these value addition videos. So first thing, what we are planning to do is value addition. See, these videos or these programs are useful for those who already have finished their foundation in general studies, foundation in optional subject. So you should have your content ready, you should have read your materials, you should have read your basic textbooks, etc. So that basic preparation is expected out of you. This is not for freshers. This is for somebody who is given their, spent about 6 to 8 months in this field, who has either given their mains previously or interview previously, or somebody who wants to improve their ranking, who have already cleared this examination. So these programs intend to ensure that gives you that value addition, value addition in terms of the kind of content that you need to add, value addition contents in terms of how to improve your answers, improve your essays, how to inculcate certain quotes or certain data, certain facts into your answers. So these value additions are what we are going to focus on. We also intend to ensure that we inculcate that discipline in you. I have been in this phase and I have, found it sometimes very difficult to remain consistent. So there are so many distractions. Sometimes you are demotivated. Sometimes you feel scared. So our intention is to ensure we eliminate all of that, be there for you guys to make sure that you remain committed, remain consistent to your preparation. So through these, we would want you to have a sense of discipline for the next couple of months till you write your actual mains. The third thing that we would want to focus through our programs, through our videos, is motivation. We have again realized that good students who have read everything, who have given a lot of tests and programs, etc., yet fail to score when it actually matters. The problem is that there is some kind of a lack of motivation, lack of strength, internal strength, a sense of fear that they are facing. So we want to ensure that we consistently keep you motivated. Your graph should always grow higher and higher, so that when the actual exam comes, you are not just 100% of yourself, but more than that. We want to make sure that you give your best and you put your best foot forward in your mains. So there will be several such motivational sessions that has been curated through our experiences, through our failures, through our success. And we have seen this make a lot of difference to small group of students so far that we have helped to clear this examination. Now we want to reach a larger audience, and through the use of technology, through the use of social media platform, we want to ensure that we try to bring in merit in this UPSC field. And the fourth thing that we will be focusing is on hand-holding and mentoring you individually and identifying your mistakes. Because, you spend 3 to 4 months preparing, putting best efforts, working hard, giving 10 hours to your mains preparation. And at the end, if you are not able to realize your mistakes, you may end up doing or repeating those mistakes again and again, and your hard work will unnecessarily go for waste. So we need to identify those mistakes. So our experience will help you to identify those mistakes and make those corrections, those crucial corrections, before it is too late. So this is an introduction video, as I told you, with respect to all these programs that we are going to, what we have planned and lined up to help you clear your mains. So in the next videos, okay, we will be covering certain essay initiatives where we will try to help you to write better essays, give you certain quotes, certain facts, certain ideas which will help you to improve your essay writing skills. We will be also focusing exclusively on ethics also, because essay and ethics, we believe, are low-hanging fruits which will help you to score more very easily. So there are certain techniques that we have developed in ethics also to ensure that you get that extra 2 or 3 marks in every question to improve your scores in ethics. We also will be solving several PYQs to analyze the trends, the pattern, and how to try and predict what kind of questions can be expected in the future in this year's mains examination. We also will be giving you several important facts and data so that you don't have to work hard towards finding them, waste your time towards doing that. So me and my team, we will be trying to do our best to give you the most relevant, not a lot of facts and data, that many facts that is absolutely important, that many facts that you can remember for your examination. So another thing that we will be focusing is on answer writing techniques, how to structure your answer, how to focus on important keywords, how to inculcate facts and examples in your answers, etc. And finally, as I told you, again, emphasizing on motivation and ensuring that you are at your best, both mentally as well as physically. So these are some of the initiatives that we plan to take up through our social media platform. So don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Also, before I end this video, I would like to inform you all that we also will be conducting test series catering to this year's mains. In this test series, we will be having 3 pillars. First is mentorship, where we will be hand-holding you and guiding you towards successful mains. This whole thing will be revolving around 28 tests. So 28 tests, you will be prepared to give your best in this year's mains. And the third thing is that we will be focusing on mindfulness and stress management so that you are able to be consistent in your preparation. And finally, also I would want to inform you that we also will be conducting test series and mentorship program for 2 optional subjects, that is Anthropology, which will be handled by me, and Kannada Literature, which will be handled by Mrutyunjay sir. So we look forward to get some serious students whom we can help in clearing this examination. In the next video, we will be starting with our mains initiatives, where we will be discussing about strategies, techniques, and various other things as I discussed in this particular video. I hope all of you will follow our channel and make use of these initiatives to see success in your examination. Thank you for letting us be part of your journey, and we hope to see you successful in your examination. Good day.